Have you ever spent hours trying to add captions to your videos, only to end up frustrated with clunky tools and mismatched text? You're not alone. Today, I'll share some exciting Canva news with you that will definitely change your video game. In today's video, I wanted to share some exciting Canva news with you. Just recently, they added a very cool new feature into their video editor section. If you make a lot of videos, this is really going to be helpful to you. Canva recently released a new tool called Captions, and what it does is exactly what its name says. It automatically generates captions or subtitles for your videos. Today I'm going to show you how it works and walk you through it, and then you'll know how to use this later on with your own videos. So I'm going to come in here and click on YouTube Videos. I've got a video that I'm going to upload into here, and I will just drag this right into my uploads here. Alright, so I'll just make it fill up the page. This is the sample video I'll be working with today to add some captions to. Once your video is completely uploaded, we'll be able to use this new feature. Come over to text, click on it, and now you'll see this new thing here. It says Dynamic Text, New. So this is it. This is the tool called Captions that we're going to be working with today. What you need to do is click right here, and it will show you your pages on your video here. Then just click and choose the ones you want to work with if more than one is listed. For now, I've only got the one page, so let's click on Generate Captions and see what happens. You see how quick it is. I did this in real time. Now, there's a lot of things you can do with this. For example, you can change wherever on the page you want the caption to be. The bottom, middle, top, your choice.
Hey there, pod entrepreneurs. Have you ever dreamed of turning your ideas into cash? So I want you to grab your coffee and get ready, because today we're going to dive into the world of print on demand, also called pod, and we're going to learn how to make some cool text-only designs.
You can see it's pretty accurate. Now, depending on what your video is about and if there's any background noise or music, so just try to upload videos that have clear sound for now. Let's make some changes. You can make edits to this. So, if you want to edit it, you can click on this and move it around the page. You can also click up here on Effects. If you don't like this purple color, you can always come here, click on this and change it to anything you want. You can also change the transparency or the spread on it. You can change how round those edges are. You can also come up here and change the size. You can also change the fonts. If there's something in the caption that you need to edit, you can do that too. Just click on it there and make the change. There is another way you can change the text. If you click up here where it says Captions, click on that. Now you'll see all the different lines of text that it just made captions for. So, for example, maybe I want to come to this. It'll take you right in the video to exactly where that is at. That is really helpful. You can also do something like that. Then you could reposition it. If you needed to delete everything, you can just delete it all there. But that's how easy you can do all of that. Maybe you don't like the color behind the text. If we go to Effects, you can change it here. Or maybe you want an outline font, so you could choose that. You can even make it a little bit thicker. Maybe you want to blow it up a little bit and then reposition it. You can change a lot of different things in here. So I wanted to show you if you wanted to make changes. So you have a lot of options in editing possibilities. Once you get it all ready and like what you have, go to File, click on Download, just make sure you have MP4 chosen. And then click download and your new video will download it to your computer, okay? So that's how you do all of that. One thing I did want to point out, in case anyone needs to know, as far as languages go, there are several currently available. I wanted to put this here so that if you needed to know it, you would see it right here. These are the languages that are currently supported.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.